Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here is Abdul and today we have another unboxing. This time a G Shock, as you can see, and I wanted to test this out since a long time, and at last it's now on Amazon Try Before You Buy. So I'm able to drop this one in, test it for a week, and then decide if I'm gonna keep it or not without paying anything at first. So the reference number for this watch is GM S5600-1ER. So it's 5600 like this one. This is TW. And let's open the box. The usual G Shock box. I like that they have such a small box, and this metal box is always the same, just different designs. I have several of them now. So if you do like this kind of content, please do subscribe, hit the bell button. It does help the channel a lot, and it keeps us going and motivated to make more and better videos. And of course, if you have any comments about how to improve or what to do better, please leave them in the comment section. So here we go. International warranty card, the module number, all the usual Casio stuff, and here we go. I'm really excited about this one because I've heard a lot of good things about the watch, and wow, that looks really nice. Strap feels also really good. So as you can see, we have a small sized G Shock with an inverse display. Let me get this packaging out of the way. I have no idea how to take this. Maybe I have to, yeah, perfect. Let's clean the screen. So why did I choose this one? I chose this one because of the size, because usually G Shocks are like this one, or even when they're small or in a good size, there are something like this one. And I saw this one and it had a 40 millimeters diameter, so I thought 40 millimeters diameters for a G Shock, and it had the Unisex on it, so it's basically for both. It's only 50 grams on this rubber strap. It's unmarked, basically a normal rubber strap on the lugs of the G Shock, and we have a, like I said, inverse digital display with mineral glass, 40 millimeters in diameter. So we have 40 millimeters. We have only 10 millimeters in thickness, 21 millimeters lug width, actually 22 lug width, carbon guard, shock resistant, 200 meters water resistant, like I said, and a I would say it's a rubber strap. It's not a silicone, it's a rubber strap. It's not so smooth, it's not so supple, but it's still, I think it's rugged. It's not resin, because resin would be a little bit, let's say, different in feeling, different touch. So this one is 50 grams, like I said, on the strap, and let's see how it looks like on my wrist. The price on Amazon is 141 euros. And you get the Quartz movement. Oh yeah, it's really small on my wrist, I have to say. I think that's more or less young people G Shock. Yeah, like, so we have the day, date, time. You have the one alarm. You have the timer, and you have a stopwatch. So everything you might need. You have a metal case, and as you can see on my 17.1 centimeter wrist, it does look really small. So that's what I expected. I just wanted to test out the theory that that's why G Shocks are big, because they do need to be big on men's wrists to feel more secure and to feel. But I don't condone on any shape or form. I like smaller watches, but somehow a smaller G Shock, I don't know. Just tell me what you think, guys and girls, of course, in the comment section. So basically this, I think, would be more of a small wrist G Shock for people who have small wrists, or people who like actually smaller watches, so maybe more feminine, younger. Yeah, I think so. That's really nice. This metal case is really cool, or at least the shroud of the metal case is really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and if you did like this video, please leave a like and also check out these videos as well, and hopefully see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye everyone.